Dear students, I am M. Nazreen Banu, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Muthaimal Engineering College, Rasibram. Welcome to this lecture. Subject code 16SHB05, subject title Probability and Queuing Theory. As before, we have seen 3 lecture series. In lecture 1, we have discussed the MM1 Infinity FCFS queuing model, that is single service queuing model with infinite capacity. In lecture 2, we have discussed about MM1 NFCFS queuing model, that is single service queuing model with finite capacity. In lecture 3, we have discussed about MMC Infinity FCFS queuing model, that is multiple service queuing model with infinite capacity we have discussed. Now we are going to discuss about MMC NFCFS queuing model. Welcome to this lecture. Unit 5 queuing theory. MMC NFCFS queuing model, multi-service queuing model with a finite capacity. In this model, capacity of the system is finite and it is limited to n. Measures of model 4. In this model, lambda n equal to lambda for n varies from 0 to n minus 1 and 0 for n varies from n to n plus 1 etc. And similar manner, mu n equal to n mu if n lies between 0 to c. C is nothing but number of channels. Less than c means you should not include c. Suppose if n lies between c to capital N means we should use c mu. Next, probability of no customers in the system is P naught, which is equal to summation n equal to 0 to c minus 1 lambda by mu whole power n by n factorial plus lambda by mu whole power c by c factorial into summation n equal to c to n lambda by c mu whole power n minus c to the whole inverse. We can say like that P naught equal to 1 whole divided by summation n equal to 0 to c minus 1 lambda by mu whole power n by n factorial plus lambda by mu whole power c by c factorial into sigma n equal to c to n lambda by c mu whole power n minus c. We can say like that also. Next, probability of n customer in this system, Pn which is given by 1 by n factorial into lambda by mu whole power n into p naught if n lies between 0 to c. If n lies between c to n means we should use second formula 1 by c factorial into c power n minus c into lambda by mu whole power n into p naught. Third formula, average number of customers in the queue or queue length, which is equal to LQ equal to P naught into lambda by mu whole power c into rho by c factorial into 1 minus rho whole square into 1 minus rho power n minus c minus of n minus c into 1 minus rho into rho power n minus c. This LQ is little bit difficult, but we have to do this formula only because this one is simple formula. Otherwise, it will be tedious to find LQ. Okay. So we should take this formula, LQ formula, and remaining formulas are we can use Little's formula to find the LS, WS, WQ etc. LS equal to LQ plus lambda E by mu. Lambda E is called the effective arrival rate, where lambda E equal to mu into C minus summation n equal to 0 to C minus 1 into C minus n into Pn. Next formula, average or expected waiting time of a customer in the system, which is WS equal to LS by lambda E. Next, average or expected waiting time of a customer in the system, which is WS, which is equal to LS by lambda E, where lambda E equal to mu into C minus summation n equal to 0 to C minus 1 into C minus n into Pn. Next formula, average waiting time of a customer in the queue, which is WQ equal to LQ by lambda E. Lambda E is same formula. Problem, at a port there are 6 unloading berths and 4 unloading crews. When all the berths are full, arriving ships are directed to an overflow capacity 20 km down the sea. Tankers arrive according to a Poisson process with mean of 1 every 2 hours. It means mean arrival rate, which is lambda equal to 1 by 2 per hour we should take. Next, it takes for an unloading crew on the average 10 hours to unload a tanker. It means mu we should take 1 by 10 per hour. Okay. The unloading time follows exponential distribution. Sorry, I have marked this exponential distribution. Find how many tankers are at the port on an average. Second formula, how long does a tanker spend at the port on an average. These two subdivisions we have to find out. First solution, this is of model 4. Okay, so MMC multi-service queuing model, channels 4 given, capacity n equal to 6 is given. So this is of MMC NFCFS queuing model, channels 4 and n equal to capacity of the system is 6 unloading berths. Okay, so that is n, capital N, and 4 unloading crews means that is channels 4. Next, mean arrival rate lambda equal to 1 by 2 per hour, mean service rate mu equal to 1 by 10 per hour. To use the first for all formulas we should find P naught. Okay, so first we will find P naught. P naught is summation n equal to 0 to c minus 1 lambda by mu whole power n by n factorial plus lambda by mu whole power c by c factorial into summation n equal to c to n lambda by c mu whole power n minus c whole inverse. Here substituting the values of c, lambda, mu and capital N we will get summation n equal to 0 to 2 minus 1 and lambda is 1 by 2, okay, mu is 1 by 10, so we'll get 10 by 2 whole power n by n factorial plus 10 by 2 whole power 4 by 4 factorial into summation n equal to 4 to 6 we should use because c is 4, n is 6, okay, 4 to 6, 10 minus 10 by 8 whole power n minus 4 to the whole inverse. First summation n equal to 0 to 2 minus 1 means n equal to 0 to 1, 10 by 2 is nothing but 5, okay, 5 power n by n factorial plus 5 power 4 by 4 factorial into, first you substitute n equal to 4 so that you will get 10 by 8 whole power 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0, anything power 0 is 1. 1 plus 10 by 8 to the whole power n equal to 5 you should substitute. So 5 minus 4 is 1, so it is 10 by 8 plus 10 by 8 whole power, now substitute 6, okay. So 10 by 8 whole power 6 minus 4 is 2, so 100 by 64 to the whole inverse. Okay, substituting the values, simplifying using calculator and simplify, you will get 0.007214, that is P naught value. Next is the formula for average number of tankers at the port. It means LS you have to find out, okay. You see LS equal to LQ plus lambda E by mu. For this you have to find out LQ and lambda E. LQ is lambda by mu whole power c into rho by c factorial into 1 minus rho whole square into P naught into 1 minus rho power n minus c minus of n minus c into 1 minus rho into rho power n minus c. Substituting lambda and by mu, which is 5, okay, and rho is lambda by c into mu, so and P naught is 0.0072, capital N is 6, c is 4. Substituting all the values and simplifying you will get 0.8203 tanker. Next Pn value you have to find out, because for to finding lambda E we have to find out Pn, so that Pn equal to P power 6, P6 is equal to lambda by mu whole power n by c factorial into c power n minus c into P naught. So lambda by mu is 5, because 10 by 2, okay, 5 power 6 by 4 factorial into 4 power 6 minus 4, which is 4 square into 0.0072. Simplifying you will get 0.2930. So next substituting the formula in effective arrival rate, lambda E equal to lambda into 1 minus Pn. Lambda is 1 by 2, 1 minus Pn is 0.2930. So simplifying you will get 0.3535. So lambda E is 0.3535. Next find out LS. LS equal to 0.8203 plus 0.3535 divided by 1 by 10. Substituting and simplifying you will get 4.355. So write in a whole number which is nearly equal to 4 tankers. And this is LS first subdivision. Next second subdivision we will see expected waiting time of a customer in the system, which is WS equal to LS by lambda E, where lambda E already we found 0.3535 in this formula, in this problem. So 4.355 divided by 0.3535, substitute simplifying you will get 12.32 hours. So WS equal to 12.32 hours. Next, so far we have discussed the model for Markovian queuing model. Now we will discuss model 5, non-Markovian queuing model, NG1 infinity GD. GD means general discipline. Here you see, so far we have discussed Markovian queuing model, in which the inter-arrival time and inter-service times were assumed to follow exponential distribution with the parameter lambda and mu. When the arrivals and departures do not follow Poisson distribution, means the discussion of queuing model become tedious. However, we can find the characteristic of a particular non-Markovian queuing model NG1 infinity GD, where M indicates the number of arrivals in time t follows Poisson process, and G indicates the service time follows general distribution. General distribution means it may be binomial, Poisson, geometric, and the general discrete distributions in the similar manner, and continuous distribution, uniform, exponential, normal. So it may under any type of distributions. And G indicates service time follows the general distribution, and GD indicates general queue discipline. And the average number of customer in the system is given by the formula LS, is known as Pollaczek-Kinchain formula. Okay, so LS is known as Pollaczek-Kinchain formula. Sometimes they were in university examination they may ask derivation of LS. LS is derivation of LS is available in your book. Please refer your book for derivation LS. Here I have discussed only problems. Okay, so ls equal to lambda into e of t plus lambda square into v of t plus e square of t by 2 into 1 minus lambda into e of t. This is the formula for ls. The remaining formulas can be found using Little's formula. First formula, you see the average number of customers in the queue, which is LQ. LQ is ls minus lambda by mu. The second formula is this one, the average number of customers in the system ls, which is lambda into e of t plus lambda square into v of t plus e square of t divided by 2 into 1 minus lambda e of t. And third formula is expected waiting time of a customer in the system, which is ws. Ws is ls by lambda. And the fourth formula is waiting time of a customer in the queue. Wq is lq by lambda. So problem 1 will see a one-man barbershop takes exactly 25 minutes to complete one haircut. So it means what? E of t, this is time, E of t equal to 25 minutes. If a customer arrive at the barber shop in a Poisson fashion at an average rate of 1 every 40 minutes, it means lambda equal to 1 by 40 per minute. How long and the average a customer spends in this shop? It means ls you have to find out. Okay, ls so waiting time of a customer in the queue as well as in for service. So it both includes. Okay, so it is ls you have to find out. Also find the average time a customer must wait for service. Average time means wait for service. It's w wait for service. Okay, wq you have to find out. Average time a customer wait for service. Okay, wq you have to find out. Next solution, this is a model 5 ng1 infinity gd queuing model. The service time t is a constant, it is given to exactly 25 minutes, it is given exactly, that word is important. So we have to take e of t equal to 25. T follows distribution with e of t equal to 25 and variance of t equal to 0, because there is no variance, exactly 25 minutes is given. So we have variance is change of there is no change. Okay, so v of t equal to 0. Here we have to take lambda equal to 1 by 40 per minute. Next, by Pollaczek-Einstein formula, we have ls equal to lambda into e of t plus lambda square into v of t plus e square of t divided by 2 into 1 minus lambda e of t. Substituting the values of lambda, e of t and v of t in the above formula, we get ls equal to 25 by 40 plus 1 by 40 whole square into v of t is 0 plus 25 whole square. Okay, divided by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 40 into 25. Simplifying, we get ls equal to 1 customer. Next, we have to find out average waiting time of a customer, that is average time a customer wait for service, that is to find WQ. So using the formula, you see WQ equal to WS minus 1 by mu. This is also little formula. WS equal to WQ plus 1 by mu. We can write like that also. So we found already WQ. Okay, so WS we can find using this formula. So WQ equal to WS minus 1 by mu, which is equal to WS minus 1 by mu is nothing but E of t. By Little's formula, WS equal to LS by lambda. So WS equal to LS is nothing but, so you see WQS equal to WQ plus 1 by mu. That first formula only we are using here. 40 into 55 by 48. Okay, so which is equal to 45.8 minutes. Okay, because you see ls equal to 1.146. Yes, ls equal to 1.14. That formula also we can use. So substituting in the above formula, we get WQ equal to 45.8 minus 25, because 1 by mu is E of t is 25. Simplifying, you will get 20.8 minutes. Okay, so that is the customer has to spend 45.8 minutes in the shop and has to wait for service for 20.8 minutes on the average. That is waiting time of a customer in the service. It includes both NQ and service. WQ is 20.8 minutes, whereas WS is 45.8 minutes. Okay, so that's what we have to find here. Okay, so we completed all the 5 models in this unit. We completed all the 5 models, that is model 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Model 1 is MM1 Infinity FCFS model. Model 2 is MM1 NFCFS model. Model 3 is MMC Infinity FCFS model. Model 4 is MMC NFCFS model. And model 5 is NG1 Infinity GD model. That's all. Totally in this unit contains 5 models and we completed all the 5 models here. Okay, so that's all. We covered all the models in this unit. Thank you for watching, students. Thank you.